Just surprises. Why, if it isn't Ethel Barrymore.
Please.
I hope you're going to make her special tonight. Hamlet's soliloquy, or the balcony scene from Romeo and Juliet, or...
Mr. Lockwood,
Oh, don't be shy. That's the perfect costume for Juliet.
Excuse me.
Oh, don't go. Now that I know you live in a cave, let me see you home.
Who is this dame anyway?
Oh, someone lofty and far above us all. An actress on the legitimate stage. She couldn't learn anything from the movies.
Here's one thing I learned from the movies.
I'm so sorry. This is...
Gee, I'm sorry. I didn't mean...
Oh, now she was aiming at thee.
Lena, you've never looked lovelier.
Oh, let me out!
Now, it was just a mistake, a little accident.
Yeah, sure. Happens to me 5 or 6 times a day.
Let me get my hands on her. I'll tear her!
Dignity, Lena. Remember your dignity.
Dignity, my